peanut butter pasta or noodles, whatever you do it. This sauce is so delicious. Shelly peanut noodles. We do it together in 1 minute and it will be amazing. 150 gram peanut, we roasted till golden. Then we added to KitchenAid or kitchen process. For 5 minutes will becomes peanut butter. Or you have ready-made 5 spoon of peanut butter. Then 150 milli of chili sauce, 50 milli soya sauce, 1 spoon sesame oil, 4 pieces of garlic, 10 gram of ginger, 3 gram chili oil, 2 gram of sesame seed. We simmering in the fire until becomes little heavy and consistency. Then we added the noodles and then your pasta or noodles ready. Mozzarella cheese or Parmigiano cheese with coriander and bon appetito.